I'm at my sister Susan's house and I'd like you to meet her family. Lovely people. And there's Sister Susan with her COVID haircut. And there's Mike, the model railwayer.
And Warhammerer.
And what?
Warhammerer.
Warhammerer?
Yeah.
What's that?
Ask him.
What's that? So what's warhammering?
It's where you get plastic people and fight them.
And we're all busy in the kitchen making, Charlie and Claire making what?
Apple pie.
Apple pie? Wow, that looks good. In case you're wondering, I'm standing outside. Is that for dessert at lunch?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, jolly good.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out whether you're making a YouTube video or not.
Like we did the other one, remember? So not your fingers, your flat hands. Yep. That's it. Is it good this way? Okay, so what you need to do now is press around the edges. Can you do your edges?
Yep.
This is the finished project.
So there's the finished article before
it's
baking. Is that right?
Yeah, we bake it.
And how long are you going to bake it for?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. At what temperature?
I'll have a look.
180 probably.
We're doing it at 200 because it's a fan oven. I've just checked. Yeah.
And what temperature?
200 degrees Celsius because it's a fan.
Right, okay. Fine. Well, that should taste as good as it looks.
Just a quick fun fact, that 90% of taste is actually smell.
Is it?
Yeah, just around 90%, I think.
Right, so can I smell it again then? I can't come close enough though because of COVID.
I know.
Can you smell it when
I'll
it's
have to smell it when it's cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Lunch is served, that looking good. There's steak pie for me, and what was it for you?
What have I got?
Leek.
Leek, cheddar and spinach latte, I think she said.
Oh right, okay. So we now have the pie ready to eat, and when I've finished eating it, the ingredients are going to be revealed by Charlie. I think that was probably the best apple pie I've ever eaten. Are you going to come and tell me the ingredients now?
Oh, yeah, I'll just
I'm going to bring this. You just start to explain. First of all, what was the question you wanted to ask?
well, I was just wanting to quickly ask, did you like the type of apple we used?
Sorry?
Did you like the type of apple we used?
Bramley?
Actually, I don't know.
Was it a Bramley apple that we used?
No. Because there wasn't any apples.
There weren't any apples?
No.
Oh, what was it then?
I used this. This is the
Oh, right.
I've got the
Okay.
recipe in. I'm just looking for the right page. Here.
He's fooled you.
Ah, so what was it? What was in it then?
It says it's easy to fool all your taste buds with the right chemicals. This delicious apple pie is missing an important ingredient: apples.
Well, I'll tell you what, it was absolutely delicious. Yeah, well done.
Yeah.
There was cinnamon in it, wasn't there?
Yeah, there was a bit of cinnamon.
Yeah, I thought so. I thought I tasted that.
So what else is in it?
Well, there's lots of sugar, 400 grams of the stuff.
What's the stuff?
Of the stuff. What else was in it?
I'll just looking for the page again.
So have we been subjects of your science experiment, Charlie?
Yeah, so there's the ready-made pastry dough. There's also 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 400 grams of sugar, 240 millilitres of water, 600 grams of buttery snack crackers crumbled up, like Ritz biscuits, the zest of 1 lemon, there's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 23 centimetre pie dish.
Goodness gracious me. Well, it was delicious. Thank you ever so much. Susan's son-in-law, Mike, he likes model railways and he wanted a shed. But Susan's daughter wanted a narrowboat. So they built a shed like a narrowboat. In fact, I helped them build it to start with, to get it started. It's strong enough they're on the roof actually that they could be putting planting pots up there. I will pass a little Zen garden here and down the steps into Mike's shed, and we'll have a look at the layout. Well, this is inside the shed come narrowboat. A nice little sitting area here. And a doll's house that my father made when we were in Kenya. Made it for my sister. And the bar with an assortment of things on it, which look as if they're going on the layout, some of them anyway. And Mike is deep into Star Wars, so we have Star Wars stuff. And here is the layout. It goes right the way down the far end of the shed there. And there. There's something blocking the track here, but I'm sure that gets moved down there. And this is the working side of the bar with a refrigerator and a keg of beer. A little street diorama there, made up of Lego things. Yes, it's all Lego stuff, look. And there's the sitting area again. Little lounge. Display cabinets full of Star Wars stuff. And some more Lego. That's it. Very good. And when Mike was building the shed, he and I went out one day and I found that in a second-hand shop. Pub sign. And preparing for the evening. You can get a box of firelighted in Sainsbury's, you know.
Yeah.
With discount.
Get a box of firelighted in Sainsbury's.
And that costs money. This is free.
All carefully placed.
He's a maths teacher.
A work of art. Work of art, Mike. I returned from visiting his son, the last one of the family, my nephew, Robert. How do you do, Robert?
Hello.
You going on YouTube?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. We've got fire going now. Plenty of smoke.
Move across if you
Not a lot of flame yet. Here we go. Oh, that was a really, really lovely visit, that was. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And it was lovely to see them again. So now it's from here to a place called High Lane near Stockport. So I have to go with the Pennines and I shall be using the AM62 because there's not a lot of choice really, because I'm going to go just a quick call into my brother and sister-in-law, and then on my way down to Pattingham to see my friends there, and then I'm going to stop overnight at a place called Stanmore Hall, which I've booked into. Nice caravan park that, or camping site. And then on Tuesday back to South Wales. So that's the plan. and now we have to go. Well, thanks for watching, and please come back for the final part of the journey.